how to use Poppo Live app. So if you want to use Poppo Live app, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Poppo Live application. If you don't have an account, you just need simply go and create an account and then log in to your Poppo Live account. Once you've logged into your account, or once you open your application, you'll have this kind of interface. On the first, which is your explore page, here you will have all of the persons who are live right now. You can simply select any one of the profile or any one of the live, and you'll be able to watch their live. Now you can just simply go with the bottom right, which has that live section if you want to go live. And first you need to upload a photo of yourself and authenticate in order to go live, and you'll be able to go live on your Poppo Live. Now the second option is the party section. Here you'll be able to start a party. You can go with the bottom right, which has that party, and here also you will have some group chats or some groups. You can just simply go with any group that you're comfortable with and make friends or start the chatting section. And the middle one is known as square. Here you'll be able to post something. So you can go with the camera section, which is on the bottom right, and then add something like some images or something like that, and then go with the description and go with post, which is on the top right, so that you'll be able to post something on your Poppo Live. And the fourth section is your inbox section, which is the message section. Here you will receive all of the notifications or all of the messages that the other person has sent you. And the last one is your profile. Here you will have your profile. If you want to change something on your profile, or if you want to go with your settings or change something, then you'll be able to change them. You'll also have the sections like VIP. If you want to upgrade to VIP, then you can go with VIP section. You'll have your coins, your points. You can buy some coins or some points if you want to. You can add your YouTube. You'll have your agency. You'll be able to know about your level, in which level you are right now. So that's it. That's how you can use your Poppo Live. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.